Ayubowan. You may have a long life. I'm Dr. Samanthi Konarasinghe from Institute of Mathematics and Management, Sri Lanka. Today I'm going to talk about Sama circular model on econometrics. First we'll see what is econometrics. It is a branch of economics. In short, applying statistical techniques in describing economic variables is known as econometrics. This subject was pioneered by three scientists, Lawrence, Ragnar and Simon. So for their contribution, all three of them were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1971. In econometrics, we are dealing with economic variables. An economic variable is any measurement that help to determine how an economy functions. These are some of the key economic variables. Not only them, there are other variables also, but these are the key variables. Econometrics has two main branches, theoretical and applied. Developing new techniques for the use of econometrics is known as theoretical econometrics, and applying existing techniques is known as applied econometrics. In econometrics, we are dealing with economic data. According to the way they are collected, they are coming in three types: cross-sectional data, time series data and panel data or longitudinal data. Regression models and time series models are the widely applied statistical techniques in econometrics. Among these models, circular model and Sama circular model are quite new techniques, and all the others, simple multiple logistic regression, exponential decomposition, VAR or ADLM, Arima-Sarima, Arch-Gauge, they are well-known techniques in the field of econometrics. Today's topic is application of Sama circular model in econometrics. So what is the Sama circular model? It is a univariate forecasting technique. It is the improved version of the circular model of Konarasinghe 2016. That was my PhD research. The development of the circular model is based on theory of uniform circular motion in physics, Fourier transformation from pure maths, and least square regression technique from statistics. For a particle moving in a horizontal circle, omega is the angular speed. The relationship between the period of oscillation and the angular speed are given by this formula, T equal 2 pi over omega. Hence, omega is 2 pi over t. Motion of a particle in a horizontal circle and sine and cosine functions are related. That means motion of a particle along this path and this one are similar. So sine function y equals sine x and y equals cos x can be explained by this reference circle. Period of oscillation of a wave is equal to the time between two peaks or troughs of a sine or cosine function. In my PhD, I showed that if a time series has f peaks in n observation, then the period of oscillation is capital N over f. Hence, omega is modified as 2 pi simple f over capital N. The discrete version of the Fourier transformation is used in developing circular model. This is the Fourier transformation. It says a wave can be splitted into several packets of sine and cosine functions. This is the circular model. What it says is present value of a random variable yt can be expressed as a summation of trigonometric series and a random error component. Below are the model assumptions. This model, well worked on forecasting Sri Lankan share market returns. I told you that it is my PhD research. So it was PhD in statistics, but ultimately it had become a new development for the econometric as well, because I developed it to the share market forecasting. Later on, I applied it in other fields as well. That means to forecast any irregular wave-like pattern. However, the circular model has one weakness. That is, in Sri Lankan share market returns, per share returns, they did not have any increasing or decreasing trends. Therefore, I didn't want to bother about the trend. I captured the seasonal and cyclical patterns of the series. Yet, later, when I was applying that circular model into real life data, I thought, how do I capture the trend in the series? That was a weakness of the circular model. So in 2018, I improved the circular model named as SAMA circular model. That is using the differencing technique to mitigate the limitation of the CM. With that one, this is the SAMA circular model. What SAMA circular model says is, present value of a random variable is a function of past legs and trigonometric series with a random error component. Initially, this K was taken from 1 to 6. But Konarasinghe 2019 showed that K can be any positive real number, need not to be a whole number. Konarasinghe KMUB is my fellow researcher, not me. In 2021, he made another contribution. Like once when this model is fitted, there are some significant trigonometric functions. Among them, he said some are possible to split furthermore. As we all know, time series data comprises several components: trend, seasonal variation, cyclical variation, and irregular variation. The decomposition techniques and SARIMA, they are widely applied methods in forecasting time series data. However, they have some weaknesses. These techniques are unable to capture the cyclical variations, and they are unable to separate if several seasonal variations exist. Another weakness of ARIMA-SARIMA is the forecastings of ARIMA-SARIMA do not follow the patterns of actual data. But in contrast, the SAMA circular model has no such weaknesses. It is capable in capturing seasonal, cyclical, and trend. Also, separate the seasonal and cyclical variations without much effort. And forecasted values also follow the patterns of actual data. We'll see how to use SAMA circular model on forecasting female unemployment of Australia as an example. This time series plot shows irregular wave-like pattern with clearly visible trend. When testing the model, obtain the difference series. That is, obtain the first difference series and second difference series. You can see these difference series do not have the trend. They only have the irregular wave-like patterns. If you know computer programming, you can write a program for the entire SAMA circular model fitting. But if not, still you can do the model testing. Here, what I am explaining is how to do it using Minitab software. To calculate the angular speed, use the formula omega equal 2 pi f over n. F is the number of peaks which you can count from this one, and you know the total number of observations. In this particular example, omega has come 1.2799. Now that we have obtained the trigonometric series sin omega t to sin 6 omega t and cos omega t to cos 6 omega t. We are considering these 12 trigonometric series as independent variables and first difference series xt as the dependent variable. Then run the multiple regression model. Then you can see what are the significant trigonometric series. With them, obtain the model. In this example, the model was not fitted for the first difference series. This is the best fitting model which is successful with the second difference series. Here you can see the fitted model yt comprises lag1 variable, lag2 variable, 3 trigonometric functions and a constant. Here the errors were normally distributed and independent, and measurement of errors also were satisfactorily small. Therefore, this is a good model for forecasting female unemployment of Australia. In these 3 trigonometric functions, sin 2 omega t, cos 0.5 omega t and cos omega t, I found the periods of oscillations. They were 4 months, 13 months and 7 months respectively. It indicates that unemployment follows seasonal pattern as well as cyclical pattern. You can see it clearly from the below time series plots. Period of oscillation is equal to the number of points between two peaks or troughs. So simply count the number of points in one cycle. That way you can find the period of oscillation. Here is another example in econometrics, forecasting consumer price index of India. So the time series plot shows an irregular wave-like pattern. Following the same procedure, the best fitting Sama circular model is this. You can see it contains the first lag variable and 2 trigonometric series sin 1.25 omega t and sin 3 omega t. That means this time k is not a whole number, k is a decimal number. As Konarasinghe KMUB suggested, decimal numbers also work in this situation. Here is Sama circular model on Sri Lankan share market forecasting. Again you can see irregular wave-like pattern with trend is clearly visible. Best fitting models for Sri Lankan share market indices. In Sri Lanka, all share price index is the main index capturing the total market, and S&P SL20 index is another important index. So both indices were forecasted by using the Sama circular model. In both cases, first difference series nicely worked. So likewise, I have tested large number of economic data series with Sama circular model. Same as me, other researchers also have tested them. These are the references. These are some of the references. What I can say is, this Sama circular model is a newly developed technique, circular model in 2016, Sama circular model in 2018. Still, this technique was superior to other existing techniques in many real-life applications. So, you may try these techniques in your econometric data sets. Actually speaking, today's topic is Sama circular model on econometric, but as I said earlier, this could be used for any field irrespective of the field, if the data set has wave-like pattern, you may try with this technique, it will work. So basically, like let's say meteorology data, it is indirectly economic because say flood forecasting, this will be highly successful in flood forecasting, temperature forecasting, and rainfall forecasting, because they all have seasonal and cyclical patterns. As I said, none of the other existing techniques are capable in capturing the cyclical variations. Even now, COVID. At the moment, COVID is following seasonal patterns. And from the literature, from the history, we know this kind of pandemics also follow cyclical patterns. Therefore, this model will be helpful in forecasting any of these series. So they all contribute to economic as well, well-being of the society as well as the economic. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Flora Charles and the team of Eurasia Research for inviting me again to deliver the keynote speech in their conferences. Over the last years, we have met in several places, Singapore, Australia, and so on. Today we are online. However, we are together. Wish you all the best and thank you very much for listening to me.